CGC has moved 141 million shares and counting. We still have around 2 hours and a few minutes before the session of today, the 18th of December closes. Usually, NVDA is usually the number one stock for now. It's a CGC. Maybe by the time the session closes, it might be NVIDIA. So behind CGC, we have BBAI, and then NVIDIA. Then we have Tesla. Then ATHA. We just have they're not well, the first three, that's how the orders is order right now, but the other ones, they're not exactly according to order. We have covered some of those other ones in previous videos today. So yeah, let's begin with CGC, up only 3.991%. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. The reclassification of marijuana theme is not going away. It's not going away. Trump's marijuana executive order details leaked ahead of announcement, including CBD and hemp provisions. Marijuana moment. Yeah, it's not going away. I mean, I thought by now that they would have fizzled, but no, it's not. They're still here. Our extrapolation here is saying that it's going to contract from. It may begin to contract from Wednesday the 24th. Yeah, that's what we have here. So it's not abating at all. And in the interim, Wednesday is just Christmas Eve. Then maybe after contracting, maybe from January the 6th, yeah, 6th of January may resume the uptrend. Okay, projections are saying 1.48 as things stand right now. It's a downward projection, but has had previous upper projections as high as 2.09, 2.39, 2.57. Momentum is expected to remain strong. Yes, up till Monday the 22nd. We'll see how all of this pans out. BBAI, are we going to get something out of this? It's stock. Okay, yeah, BBAI. Yes, let's see. Something's coming up. Up 4.1%. 109 million shares have crossed the tape. Average volume is usually 126 million. Who knows whether we're going to reach that average today? Okay, volatility is expected to increase slightly in the coming days. It's a high beta stock. Let's see what we have for BBAI. Okay, yeah, a bounce is expected from yeah. Is the bounce that I picked up today is expected to remain in place. Was it today? Yeah, is expected to remain in place all the way towards Tuesday the 23rd, and then after that, it's yeah, the contraction may resume thereafter. Okay, the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to decline to prevent any attempt to bounce, any attempt to expand. We have a range of projections as things stand right now, beginning from the list 3.35, 3.9, 4.81, 7.17, 7.95, 8.44. Okay. Let's see. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Monday the 22nd, but not fantastically as it was early this month. Yeah. Okay. Nothing new. Nothing there. We might see something here. Let's come down and have a look at here on a trading on Think or Swim. Let's see whether there's anything here. Looking ahead into BBAI's recent short interest. Okay. What's there? Okay. There must be something there. Don't have enough memory for that. NVDA, NVDA, NVIDIA. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, up 2.4%, 107 million shares across the tape. Are you sure we're going to get to 194 million today in terms of volume? Okay, high beta as well. Volatility is expected to increase somewhat in the coming days. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what do we have. What we have for Nvidia. Yeah, the contraction is expected to remain in place. Yeah, I think up till the end of January this year. Okay, the algos are not factoring in any bounce at all. The 40-day moving average is also declining to prevent anything like that happening, any expansion. Projections are saying, as things stand right now, beginning from the least 145.2, 151.45, 161.55, 186.64, 193.17, 197.20. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Momentum is expected to pick up going all the way towards the 2nd of January, but not it's not expected to be get as strong as was all the way back to early this month. Yeah, Nvidia posted. Okay, I've seen that before. Yeah, Nvidia shares saw major volatility in 2025, swinging 120% from a low of $94 in April to a high of 207 in October. Morgan Stanley sees Nvidia as a top semiconductor peak for 2026, driven by strong AI demand for data center chips and expected growth in cloud computing from Vera Rubin deployments. Okay, jumps as Micron earnings ease AI investment fears. Okay, so it's spitting into Nvidia. Other AI chips also saw gains. AMD climbed about 2%. Okay, and yeah. Nvidia says Nvidia RTX Pro 5000 72 gigabyte 72 gigabyte Blackwell GPU now generally available. YMZ rising today. Okay, Tesla stock. Okay, we'll find out more. Yeah. So let's see whether we can get to Tesla. Tesla, can we get something? TSLA. Nothing coming up. Not enough memory. Nvidia consumes a lot of memory. Okay, let's see what we can get. It can get it here. Okay, Tesla. Let's see now. Okay, yesterday contracted. Today has attempted to retest its all-time high. Yeah. So the extrapolation is saying that it may contract again, and then it may contract going all the way towards the Christmas Eve, and then after that, from the 26th, you may resume the uptrend. Yeah. So all in all, high prices expected to keep printing at various times, contracting. The extrapolation is the extrapolation of its 40-day moving average is such that it's also rising to catch any possible pullback. Okay, so we have 480.14. We always go and pick up the upper projections on the weekly chart. Here, momentum is expected to remain stable, but may begin to decline from Boxing Day or thereabouts. Yeah, let's see. Let's get the projections one more time from the weekly chart. For the upper projections here, okay, we have 490.68, 596.26, What are the odds of those printing? The extrapolation here is not saying anything to the upside. It's actually extrapolating lower prices going all the way towards the 26th of January. After that, it might attempt to bounce again, but it's all what is extrapolated is a distributive contraction going all the way towards the end of June of 2026. Yeah. Tesla, yeah, what do we have? Yeah, memory gone. ATHA. ATHA underlying trend is neutral to bullish. Okay. Um, this trajectory is it has right now is expected to remain in place up till the 23rd of January. What are the odds of that happening? Not very high. Then after that, a contraction is expected to play out, going all the way towards all the way towards the 22nd of January. The 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise to contain or curtail or moderate any contraction. Momentum is expected to begin to decay from tomorrow the 19th, and expected to progressively decay towards towards what do we have here, towards the 8th of January. Yeah. Projections, let's see what we have. 4.05, it's a downward projection. Yeah, it has just broken through this pivotal projection of 6.83. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, let's get the news behind this. What ATHA is doing. Acquired late stage breast cancer assets, secured $90 million funding, and advanced ALS and oncology programs. Okay, yeah. Let's see how all of these stocks will pan out. And thank you very much for watching this video.